folks, welcome back to my channel. It is just truly Miss Bliss. If you're new tuning in, a warm welcome.
So glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So just a continuation of things that I got for Christmas.
So today's video is all about this Viva La Juicy
Rosé. Y'all, that's all I can say. So let's just get right off into just the look of her. She is just absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely like how they just blinged out this entire bottle. And I don't know if you guys can really just see it. So the bottom starts out with like a glitterly gold, and then it kind of goes up into this beautiful pinkish type color, and this is just all over the bottle. And let me tell you guys, this is super heavy. This bottle definitely has weight to it. Y'all know that I'm a sucker for a quality perfume bottle, and this definitely has that feel to it, and it definitely has that look. They also put this cute pink bow on her. Look at her. I mean, they got her looking like all that. And then they gave her a cute little rosé bottle here. Look at that with your rosé on the inside. That's just so cute. I definitely think they thought about the presentation with this one. And then of course you have the pretty cute crystal illusion top here, and I love that. Overall I really like the look of this particular perfume here. They really went all the way. And then look at this, you guys, just the detail on the front here. Like, she is cute. She is trying to let you feel like you are expensive. You know, just the look at her, she looks like quality. She feels like quality. The question is, does she smell quality? Here, they really went all the way. And then look at this, you guys, just the detail on the front here. Like, she is cute. She is trying to let you feel like you are expensive. You know, just the look at her, she looks like quality. She feels like quality. The question is, does she smell quality? So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Y'all, like, I'm really feeling her. If you are a girly girl, if you like something sweet-ish, she is definitely your girl. You should definitely consider the Viva La Rosé, okay? Now, I consider myself a beginner perfume wearer, and I've said this. I've only been wearing perfume strongly now for maybe a year and a half, 2 years tops. And so what I know of this Viva La Rosé, I personally think that she makes for a good beginner wearer perfume where you just don't want anything heavy. You just want something sweet and gentle. And I think she's definitely that girl. Now, let me just also stress, because listen, honey, I pulled her on fragrance.net. And let me just be honest with you guys. From a lot of the reviews that I saw there were a lot of mixed feelings about her. But overall, she almost have 5 stars. She has like 4.5 stars. And while we are here, you guys can kind of get an idea of the pricing. So you can get her in a large 3.4 ounce tester for roughly $34, or you can get her new for $39. They do have her in a 1.7 that will cost you about $30, or you can get her in the tester 1.1 ounce. I'm sorry, the tester 1 ounce for $20, or you can get her brand new 1 ounce for $25, or you can get her in the travel size that runs $11 and some change. So it just really depends on what you want to do, boo. But I just wanted to get that out to you. Let's talk a little bit about her. So she does come from the house of Juicy Couture. She made her big debut in the year 2015. So honey, she got a little age on her, but she can still rock with you in today's time. So look, don't sleep on her. Just a couple of fragrance notes. So she consists of Italian Mandarin, William Pear, Jasmine Petals, White Peony, and Ambro. So some of this mess, I don't even know what it is. Most of the perfumes I wear typically do consist of pear and peony. So let me just tell you too, even though she's sweet, she's a bit citrusy as well. She just gives you a pop of citrus. I would definitely say that she is more of a summer gal. However, I wear her all year round. I have worn her in the fall. Let me just say this so that you guys are clear, so you don't come for me. So I got her for Christmas 2023. So I've had more than enough time to truly enjoy her. So getting back to where we were, I wear her in the summer, but I have also worn her in the winter and fall, and she does her thing. I really like her. I prefer her in a work setting because she is not so heavy. She is not so offensive. You know, she considers people's feelings, if you will. She's sympathetic to people's noses. So she will not be overbearing. So that's one of the reasons why I like her. Now, with my body chemistry, let me just stress that, with my body chemistry, because some people beg to differ, say she smells like an old lady, but not in my opinion. She smells like a young teeny bopper, if you will, but she's mature for her age. She's a teeny bopper, but she's mature for her age. Okay, so what I mean by that is it doesn't matter what age you are. I think that you can wear this. I like her. I really, really like her. And like I said, depending on the type of work you do, if you are in close proximity of employees, or maybe you work a warehouse job, she's not so intrusive. So I think that you'll be able to wear her. And again, she's sensitive to people's noses, so you won't have to worry about that. She's kind of a subtle sweetie. Yeah, I think I'm going to call her a subtle sweetie. She's a subtle sweetie. I like her. I definitely think she is one that you should consider. Also, I do believe that you can layer her if that's what you so choose. But in my opinion, she smells fantabulous just the way that she is. So yeah, and she's affordable, which you guys already know that because we've gone over that already. She's definitely affordable. I think she is definitely one that you should just have in your stash of perfumes because she's great. She's a great subtle sweetie. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Would you?